Welcome to Rick Riley's World, where we look at Rick's vast collection. What we got this week, Mr. Riley?
Got my wife's 79 Scout 2. We've had this about 8 years. We got it from a gentleman in right out of St. Louis, Missouri, Mr. Bill Cooper. He built this, and we done some trading, like I said, several years ago, and we've had it ever since. It's been a real good, dependable vehicle. It's got a 345 in it, 4-barrel, automatic. It's got 4-wheel disc brakes on it. AC works great in it.
That chrome step bumper?
Yeah.
Yeah. Didn't notice that before. That's kind of rare.
But it's just been a good, really dependable vehicle. Wife likes to drive it. We pulled our toy trailer with it, and we put several miles on since we've had it.
What are the seats out of?
Got no idea. They're comfortable, whatever they come out of. But Bill built this, and he done a good job on it. Like I say, it's been dependable as heck. And when we met him, that was in up Springfield at the Nationals. He drove it there that weekend to the Nationals. Next weekend he drove it back down here and picked up a 6-cylinder Nissan diesel in it.
Let's look under the hood.
Then the next weekend he drove it back down, and we traded.
Where are you going?
Hop the hood.
Oh.
My wife's always said if it wasn't for putting you have to put gas in it, she'd drive it all the time.
Let's see what it sounds like. Pretty strong.
That don't do too bad.
Anything else about it?
Well, other than what I had to say about it, it's been, like I said, it's something that you could, it's not so nice that you don't want to take it out, but it's nice enough that people really like looking at it and talking about it.
Well, thanks for showing us that, Rick. We'll see you next time.
See y'all later.